The top 5 best electric tricycles in 2023. It is your time to ride the best electric tricycles. E-trike can be the best for you to travel, especially where you need to cover a lot of ground. There are the 5 best electric tricycles of 2023. Number 5. Motor Granton M340. Specification: motor 750 watt hub motor front geared. Speed 20 miles per hour. Battery 20 ampere 48 volt. Bearable weight 158 kilograms. Rear max load 45 kilograms. Brakes mechanical discs 3 brakes. Screen LCD. Price $2,999. If you are looking for a fat tire. The front tire is 24 inches, rear tires are 20 inches. The battery will last for 7 days at a stake. Let me tell you that because of his 24 inches front tire, it is much more stable than any other bike on the market. Number 4. 3-score electric fat trike. Specification: motor 750 watt. Speed 30 miles per hour. Battery 48 volt. Brakes disc and parking. LCD screen. Price $2,632. Aluminium alloy makes it highly durable even in the harshest environments. Because on a single charge the bike will go more than 45 miles. 48-volt battery includes a twist throttle and a thumb shifter. This bike has 24 inches tire. It has disc brakes which have more control than other bikes on the market. Because this brake will increase power, a Shimano 7-speed gearbox for smooth shifting. Number 3. DW Maggie MG1703. Specification: motor 750 watt. Display 3-inch LCD screen. Speed 20 miles per hour. Battery 48 volt 18 ampere lithium removable. Charger 48 volt 3, a supercharger. Disc brakes. Price $2,499. It is an easy commute for getting to class work. This fat tire trike is light, fast and fun to ride. The carbon steel frame with an upright sitting position. This bike's motor can take the bike to the maximum torque of 80 nanometers. Because it has a 7-speed Shimano gear shifting system. Besides, its 20 by 4 inches fat tires can give you enough friction to ride smoothly. Number 2. Melissa Mobility Forza. Specification: motor 750 watt. Speed 26 miles per hour. Battery 10.4 ampere lithium-ion removable. Bearable weight. Max load 200 kilograms. Brakes front and rear disc. Price $2,899. This bike can be folded and provide smooth riding. The bike is constructed with aluminium alloy and a larger rear basket. E-trike has a weight capacity of 200 kilograms. There is a pedal assist and throttle power is 5 levels more powerful. It will take only 5 to 7 hours at the most. Number 1. Emojo Caddy Pro. Specification: motor 500 watt. Speed 20 miles per hour. Battery 48 volt 15.6 ampere lithium-ion. Max load 150 kilograms. Brakes hydraulic disc. Price $2,890. It is lightweighted and it can climb hills and muddy roads with its fat tires. This bike can handle up to 6 kilograms of the payload cargo capacity. It is made with sturdy aluminium to ensure durability. Its powerful motor is a multi-purpose tool. It even displays automatic braking lights when you brake, and its shaft drive system has a Shimano 7-speed gear which allows you to go faster. Conclusion: the e-trike company contributes to reducing air pollution and dependence on fossil fuels thanks to their zero-emission e-motors. Embracing electric trikes can lead us to a cleaner and more sustainable future.